Hello everybody, my name is Mrs. McKinney, and I want to invite everybody to join me on this journey. We're going to go ahead and go through body scanning. I want us to focus for a second on our mind and our brain. Our minds are so creative and so powerful that we can transport our bodies and ourselves to any place that we desire by just imagining. Just as the weather is getting warmer outside, our thoughts can control how warm our body can be. We're going to go on an unforgettable journey right now. I want you to enjoy the scenery. I want you to enjoy the time we spend together. I want you to be calm, and I want you to focus on your body and your breaths. I invite you to close your eyes at this time and bring yourself to a calm, quiet place. Just stay here. Relax. Enjoy the moment. Breathe deeply and comfortably. And notice how amazing the sound of your breath is. Just listen as the air moves in and out, in and out. It is a quiet and beautiful sound. Now imagine transporting yourself magically to your favorite spot on the beach. If you have never been to a beach, just imagine what you think it would be like. Imagine yourself there. Imagine yourself now. On the beach, how do you feel? Are you sitting? Are you standing? Are you laying down? Are the waves warm? Are your toes curled into the sand? Can you move your toes? Do you feel the cool breeze? Do you smell the water? Is the sun shining bright? Are the rays kissing your skin? It's warm and it's nice, isn't it? Feel the rhythm of the calm waves flow over the sand. It relaxes you. Notice how your breathing becomes calm. Inhale and exhale slowly and calmly, paying attention to how slow down your breath has become since you've been in this moment. Further allow for your muscles to relax. Feel the warmth of the sun melting on your back. Enjoy complete relaxation. Slowly and easily, see how your body is relaxing more and more, releasing tension, frustration, worries, doubts. Inhaling deeply, again and again and again. Every breath becomes more calm. Every time you exhale, your body becomes more peaceful. Your body is now relaxed. Your mind is relaxed. You can empty your mind of all your worries, your thoughts, everything that's been bothering you today, yesterday, last week, last month. Nothing matters at this moment. Only you. Just relax and enjoy this moment. Imagine the golden, warm sun penetrating its rays onto your back. It's making you feel so wonderful, so alert. You feel alive. You feel free. You feel at peace. Taking another nice deep breath. and draw your attention back to where you are, along with the calm, the peaceful feeling of relaxation and rest. I know that you're feeling energized and peaceful now, ready for a wonderful day. This is a perfect time to just open your eyes, smile, and be in this moment. Enjoy your surroundings. Enjoy the smell. Enjoy the positivity in the room. Thank you.